Hi guys, welcome back to Sky Tech. We're going to do a full review of a smartwatch, and it's not just any smartwatch. Smartwatches that I've seen on the market. I don't think I've seen these watches on Amazon or eBay or anywhere else. But we are talking about the Nubia Smartwatch, and you can only purchase it on the Nubia website. So I bought this Nubia smartwatch for £189 on the Nubia website, and it said it was coming from Hong Kong, which I got really annoyed, but actually it arrived within 3 days, so I was really impressed with that. So it's fast delivery. But yeah, let's get cracking and I'll show you what we have in store for you. Before we continue, give us a like, subscribe, and comment down below. See if you've got the watch. Write down if you've got the watch and how's it going for you. Okay, so here we are. We have the smartwatch, the Nubia. It comes in a well presented box, and as you can see here, it's saying here that the watch, I'll just come closer to the camera so you can see, but it does have a foldable flexible screen, a heart rate and sleep monitoring, 4-inch HD screen, sports monitoring, waterproof and Bluetooth. This Nubia watch is in black. It's a black edition with 1 gig of RAM and 8 gig of ROM hard drive as well. And they're calling it, the model number for this is SW1003. They call it the wearable phone, but it is actually a smartwatch. So like I said, it comes in a well presented box. I really like this material of this box. It's high class. It just looks like wow, you know. Okay, so let's get this box opening. Wow, look at that. That is just, I mean, you can just tell from the front that it's one of a kind. So let's just take this out and put this aside. See what we've got in the box. So you got two pockets down here. Let's open this one first of all. So what you get on this one is, it looks like it's the charging cable. Yeah, that's the charging adapter. So that actually goes into the back of the actual. It's like a magnet. It actually clips, just magnets, and puts on the back of the actual watch. So that's the actual the charger itself. And on the side, you've got nothing on the side, on the top, nothing on the bottom. Just on the right hand side, you've got the actual charging kit port. It looks like it's a micro charging port, one of the old-fashioned ones. It's a shame it's not a Type C, but what the hell. You also got on the box as well, USB to micro charging port. Yeah, put them to a side, and then also on the other pocket, let's see what we got in here. It looks like, yeah, it looks like manual. Yeah, so you've got a warranty. This is a warranty card, so I recommend you fill in this warranty card just in case something happens to it. And then you've got the actual instructions, which is in all in English, which is like what I like to hear and what I like to see, if I may say. And you've got an extra strap just in case the other one breaks, or if that one is a bit too big or too loose, you've got an extra one here, which should do. But I don't think we need to change the strap because I think this one's just perfect. Okay, so put them to a side. Now let's get onto the watch. The watch weight is about 98 grams. It weighs about 98 grams, so it kind of feels light but also a bit heavy. So it's a bit on the in the middle. So it's not too heavy, not too light. It's about, width wise, it's about 41 millimeters by 14 millimeters in height, and the length of it, which goes all the way around, is about 125 millimeters. It's available in black and green, and like I said, this one's a black, and it comes, the actual wrist, the actual band itself is a silicone type material, and it only has one power button, which is the power button, because the rest of it is just touch screen. The battery itself is a 425 milliamp battery, and if it's on power saving mode, it means that obviously it will lose its functionality with, for example, the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi. You'll lose all that, but the battery will last 7 days. If you're going to use it on a daily basis, then it will last you 36 hours, which still isn't that bad. And it will take about 85 minutes to charge. I believe if you charge it for about 45 minutes, it goes from 0 to 90% in 45 minutes. So it isn't that bad actually. So let's get this opened up and see what we have got. If it's good, I just hope it's got some charge on it. It should have some charge, but let's just see. So here we are, here's the watch itself. Yes, it does. Right, okay. So that's what it says here. The Nubia watch. You've got to scroll down. This is the terms and conditions here. So you just got to scroll down. It's a bit of a headache. You have to read through this. But the actual watch won't start without you reading it. So you just got to scroll down all down to the bottom until you come to the accept button, because it won't start it. And then I have accepted, and then continue. Now this one you need to pair. You need to start pairing with your phone in order for you to pair your watch with the actual app, because you need to download the app on your phone in order to get this working. The actual this is the actual barcode where you scan it with your phone, and it downloads the app. So if you're using Android, you use the Play Store. If you're using the Apple, then you need to use the App Store for this one. So it is, looking at this, it's a bit of a slick kind of a watch here. So, but yeah, you need to. But we'll do. So yeah, once you've actually done the setting up on here, and you've downloaded the app, it will then pair up with your device. Whether you're on Apple or Android, you need to download the actual app and then pair it up. Without pairing the actual watch up, the actual watch won't start. So I've luckily done my pairing up, and as you can see here, that's how it looks like now. So the actual screen, it goes all the way up here, up to down there. So let's see how it looks when I put it on my wrist. Okay, and I'll take my old digital watch off. Don't need this no more. Get out of there. And then we'll place this on my wrist. It looks good already. It looks fantastic. And I was right, I don't need to change the strap, because the strap is just it's really comfortable as well. As you can see here, there's no need to set the time up, because once you've paired it up with your phone, it will synchronize the time, it will synchronize your contacts, everything, your messages, everything. So everything is now synchronized on my phone, and it is now synced with my phone. So I'll just press the button here. Yeah, you can actually tap it twice, but you need to go into the settings to do that. But yeah, we'll use the power button here. And obviously if you scroll down, you'll come to the notifications. So what will happen is, just come closer to the camera, if you do that, you'll get the notifications, Bluetooth, sleep, and vibration and mute. If you go up, swipe up, if you got any notices, you'll get some notifications on there. If you swipe to the left, you'll get your menu, so your messages, sports, health, heart rate, settings. That's where you can customize your screen. You got a compass there, you got a schedule, you got a clock there, you got search the phone, and you got your music. Your music will play off your phone. Remember that there's no music on here, it will play by Bluetooth from your phone. If you swipe to the other side, it's the same menu, it's the same concept, so you come to there. But let's go and check out some of these apps here. So if you go to the phone call, and then you got your dialing tone here. This one's telling me now, it says slide back to the previous level. So if you slide that way, it'll go there. So if you do that, it'll go back like that. Alright, so call. So let's see how this works. Yeah, it's actually not bad. It works. You press the numbers, it knows what you're dialing. And then, so if we dial the phone number and then press the call, there's your contacts. If you look at the bottom here, you've got your contacts, and then there's all my contacts that are synchronized with my my phone. All the contacts here. Your messages, as it's already synchronized, your messages should pop up, but it's saying no conversations here, so I'll have to sort that one out later. And then you got your sports one, you got your health, your heart rate. So now it's actually monitoring my heart rate, it's detecting it, and because it's got a sensor at the back, I'll show you the sensor, and it's detecting the heart rate. Not sure how long this is supposed to take, but there you go, 85 BPM, that's my heart rate. To go back, slide back, or you can push the button, and then you got your settings on there. This one you can actually customize your front, so you can have a Martique button, and then choose that one, and then that's how it's going to be like. You can actually choose another one by doing the matrix, or you can choose this this other type of matrix there. But you got so many, you can go scroll through it. The actual the processor on this watch is a Dualcomm 8909 watt, and like I said, the memory is 1 gig plus 8 gig. Bluetooth version is 4.1, and the actual sensors on this is the accelerometer, gyroscope, pressure sensor, heart rate sensor, and the geomagnet sensor. It's all water resistance, IP54, and GPS as well, and it's got built-in Wi-Fi. But I'll just show you, I'll just take this off here and I'll just show you the back of it. At the back of it, as you can see here, it's got like a sensor here, so the actual sensor, it can know your heart rate. When you're checking your heart rate, it will say your heart rate, what your heart rate is. Also, you can check your pulse and everything, so it is quite handy to have. And as you can see, the customization is working in the background as we're speaking. Also, the sports features on this as well. You've got outdoor walking, indoor running, outdoor running, free workout. The fitness functions is the heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, get up reminder, the pedometer, calories burned, how many calories burned, time used, distance reminder, and how long you're sitting for. And also, just to remind you that this is not a medical device. The measurements, results, and the data are for reference only, so it cannot be used as a on a medical basis. Other features this has is a schedule reminder, it has a calendar, it has weather. You can find your phone with this, so if in case you lose your phone, this will help you find your phone. You can actually listen to your music from this phone. You can customize it, animate the watch faces. You can customize the scrolling text as well, like it's doing there. It's also got a stopwatch, countdown timer. You can download apps from the Google Play Store. You can upgrade it as well. It's an OTA upgrade, and then the accessories that you get in the box is what I've just showed you. So check it out. Go to nubia.com to find out more about this. I've got the link in the description below, and you have been watching Sky Tech with another review. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Peace.